Okay, so here's part B. Let me just grab an eraser. We need to know, so I'm going to do it a completely different way. We need to know the formula for the area of a triangle.
It's 1/2 base times height.
One half the length of the base times the length of the height. And did we talk about that in this section, or do you know that from different times?
I think we did talk about it.
We did talk about it, okay. And so, for any triangle we have at all, what we want to try to do is find the length of a base.
And then the length of the height.
And the length of the height. And sometimes it's easy to do and sometimes it's not so easy to do. In this triangle we could measure this length and that height, or you can measure this length and maybe let's pretend that was a right angle that height. Or this length and that height, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just have to find any side of the triangle. Sorry. Any side of the triangle can be the base.
Yep.
And then the perpendicular line coming down from the other one that hits that can be the height. Okay. So can you apply this idea, 1/2 base times height, to that triangle AXY?
Well, first we can draw AXY. So, kind of.
Here, let me give you a little bit more room to draw. We'll remember that you found the area was 1/8.
Just right out here.
Okay.
So we have, this is A and X. So then X goes here, kind of like this.
Yeah.
So
AXY.
we use this as the base and the height is over here.
Alright.
So this is a right angle. It's coming down here. So, well, then this, if it's this height here,
Yeah.
which is half of this side, it's half of CD.
Okay.
So, this will be half of CD, so it's kind of like that. So, but we don't know any of the side lengths.
Yeah, that's a problem.
But we could just use like these, the X's. Like, so like we could use half of CD as a length.
Yeah, well, yeah,
So
we definitely could.
So 1/2 base, which is, the base is AX, so 1/2 AX times, the height is 1/2 CD.
Okay. So we get 1/2 AX times 1/2 CD. Here, I'll write that over here. 1/2 AX times 1/2 CD. Can that simplify at all?
Well,
Or can we make any sense out of that?
not really. But we could try to multiply through, but that would be kind of difficult because we have 3 terms. What could we do here?
Is there anything in here that can simplify a little more?
Well, we have a 1/2. We have a 1/2.
Oh,
So
1/2.
we could multiply by 2. Get rid of those 1/2.
Well, if it was equal to something, we could multiply by 2, but we can't.
I don't
You
really
can't
know.
just multiply. Can't just multiply by 2. What happens to those 1/2s though?
Well, because you could divide out a 1/2 from each term.
Okay. And what would
Well,
you be
that
left
would
with?
be the same as multiplying by 2, though.
Tell you what I'm going to do. This is confusing to you. Let's pick some side lengths for the rectangle.
Maybe we could pick maybe 1 and 2. That would be simple.
Okay, so this is going to be 1.
Maybe we should pick some side lengths that are divisible by 2.
Okay, so,
Because we're going to have to divide them.
alright, how tall do you want it to be?
Maybe 2.
2. And how wide do you want it to be?
4.
4. Okay, great. So let's, instead of trying to do it abstractly, what's the area of the rectangle?
The area of the rectangle is 8.
Okay, let's try to find the area of our triangle now, doing 1/2 base times height.
Well, let's see. 1/2 the base. So 1/2 1 because this is 2.
Alright,
Then times the height 2.
alright.
So this 1 doesn't matter. So then we have 1/2 times 2, which is 1.
Okay.
So,
So what fraction of the rectangle is shaded in this case?
well, if the rectangle is 8, then we have 1 is 1/8 of it.
Hey.
So it worked.
Just what you found.
Cool.
And you want to see how to do it abstractly?
Okay.
So the area of the rectangle, without the numbers, would just be AC
AC
times CD. Those lengths. Maybe we can put bars on them.
Yeah.
The area of the triangle is 1/2. What's the height of the triangle? Or the base, I mean.
The base is AX.
AX. And what's the height?
The height is C. Well, the height is C if we call this point V.
Y.
Y.
Sorry, I got lost. 1/2 CY. Alright, what can we say about AX?
Well, AX is half of AC. Half of C,
What can we say about CY?
it's half of CD. So now we have a 1/2 in every term.
Yeah, and these are all being multiplied together. So we have a half times a half times a half. What's that?
Well, that's 1/8.
1/8. And then what's left here when we...
AC and CD.
What do we know about AC times CD?
That's the area of the rectangle. So.
And this is the area of the triangle.
Hmm.
So what fraction is shaded?
1/8.
1/8. Good work. Good work this morning. Oh, I forgot to change it to B. That was part B. Oops. Anyway, good job. I really like your solution.